Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, Casual Chef Chili Mac. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up the oil in the wok. Adding the ground turkey, and I'll break it up and brown. I add the spices. Then I add a little bit of water and give it a good stir. Get the mac and cheese in the microwave. Add the pico de gallo. Add the mac and cheese and give it a good stir. Here's the finished chili mac in the wok. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.